Hi, this is Carl with another SOP video for managed service providers. Today I want to talk about controlling data at your client's office. 10-15 years ago, we had this explosion of what we call BYOD, bring your own device, which I call bring your own destruction. But people would just show up with these 100, 150 gig hard drives. Well, today, it's 3 terabyte, 4 terabyte hard drives. It's little bitty sticks that hold tons of data. But more than that, today we have the cloud. So people send themselves email to their private email. They put it on their cloud drive. They put it on their OneDrive. They put it on their home Azure. They put it on whatever they want. And now your client's data is no longer under the control of your client. It's not backed up, and it might be violating all kinds of laws. Unfortunately, it's on you, the IT service provider, not on the client, to manage this. If you are a managed service provider, it is your job to get your arms around what's going on and do some kind of audit. And I would literally go to every single client and ask them to fill out a form that says, here's how I move data. Here's how I look at stuff from home. Here's how I work remotely on the weekends. Here's what I do. And get some good juicy information, because I think you're going to find that there's a lot more leakage than you thought there was. Your clients should sign non-disclosure agreements with their employees that basically says, our information, the information that we use to run this company, belongs to this company, and it belongs inside our network and inside our approved cloud services. It does not belong on any mobile devices. I know you can hook your phone into the charger and it says, hey, you want to map a drive to your desktop? No, you can't let that happen. You can't let people put things on their personal Dropbox. More and more people are beginning to be aware of the fact that this data isn't really their data. Let's say your client is an attorney. Well, obviously their data belongs to their clients. If your client is an accountant, their data belongs to their clients. If your client is a doctor, the data belongs to their patients, so forth and so on. You should set up an appointment with your primary contact and have a discussion about keeping all of their data inside their cloud services and inside their network. And there should be a process to educate employees. Remember, employees are normally well-intentioned. They're just trying to do their job as efficiently as possible. They always see the security limitations as limitations. So you have to help them say, look, we have set up this one cloud service. We will show you how to access it remotely, and we'll make sure that you have access to it that is secure, that is compliant with the laws. Many, many companies have restrictions on not just privacy policies, but other use of data. And so you have to make sure that all of your clients' employees actually understand they have to legally keep things inside the network or inside the cloud service that is approved by the client. Given that most people are not evil intentioned, it's okay to have these discussions and say, really, this is our best practice. Please do these things. The other benefit of all of this is that you're having a discussion that's not really a discussion about technology. It's more of a discussion about what are the best practices for running your business. You're helping your clients to run their businesses in a way that's safer for them in the long run, and the actual technology is not really central to that conversation. But somebody has to have that conversation, and it should probably be you. For Small Biz Thoughts, this is Carl Polachek, wishing you the best of luck in your managed service business. Here's your SOP for this video. Like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and share it on social media. And if you haven't visited SOPforsMB.com, now's a great time to do that as well.